What's up, gamers? It's me, AJ here. Back in my Roblox account in laptop, and then right here, this. How did he get this? I don't know how, but I know I got this. Yes, this. And let's just go for a second. No, go first. Okay. For a second, first. I just double him. Okay, let's be Batman. The Batman. I mean, no, Joker. I really like if we got a tooth, and we don't have a tooth, tooth. That guy does a backflip. That one. 3 backflips. All backflips. Joker's coming. Joker, Joker, Joker. Toot, toot, toot. Toot, toot, toot. Toot, 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 toot. Let's see it first. Are you order? I'm ready to order again now. I am not ready to order. Look. What? I almost go there and I almost get from that Among spaceship. How do you get that Rockstar Freddy one? Huh. I don't want the Freddy one, the Freddy. Because I don't have the Rockstar Freddy one. Hold on, the Freddy one. I'm being the Freddy. Still I don't have the badge, but I am Freddy. I don't know how to get that badge. I didn't watch the full video. I watched Gadlet Gaming, but I didn't watch how to get the other badges, I know how to get the other badge. So look at this, super dark. Imagine there's a Robotnik Freddy going to you and just gonna try and jump scare you, and you see this in your house, lights, and then you'll see him, and then he'll jump scare you like that. I mean, another jump scare. And last jump scare. Last jump scare. Okay, that's the jump scares. And imagine you got that Freddy. How do I get this badge? I don't want these badges, these badges. I have to kill you by my jump scare. I know why there's not the Foxy. There's no Foxy one. I'm gonna try and get a badge. Thank you, Tipsy, and motherfucking soul. Kill you. I'm already 6 years old. Come on, come on, come on! Kill you! Yes, Birdie, kill him. You dummy! They kill him! Froggy's coming! Get some pizza over here! Get some pizza over here! I have free pizza! Papa John's pizza or something pizza or pickle Rick pizza. I didn't know like there's a pickle Rick. Yeah, from Rick and Morty. Ow! I don't know why I get damaged. Ow! I get damaged. Ow! Batman, stop! Stop, Batman, stop! Ow! Batman, oh yeah, you're gonna pay for this. You missed. Ow! Yeah, jump here, jump there. There. Ow, why Batman is still hurting me? What is this kind of Batman? Ow! I don't know how did he did that. I am a chicken, I am a chicken, I am a chicken. I'm gonna be a purple one. Batman! I'm gonna be something else. He is a player, but how did he become evil? How did he hurt me? I'm Batman. Yeah, how did he hurt people? Okay. Okay. What's PP? First, I'm gonna be. Oh no! Don't kill me. I wanna be good. I wanna eat Beanos. Just kidding. I don't wanna eat Beanos. Beanos is a Cheeto. And it's a bad nose.
Akala ko ba linggo magbabayad?
Why not? It's over here. Yes! You see that on the blog there? You'll get that. Put it there. Yes. I don't want to get jump scared from him. So I know there's going to be a jump scares. Thanos is here. Jumping. No. Don't. Ah! How do I get jump scare? Oh, there's an invisible block. Oh. He jumps. He just jumped scared me. Okay, I'm gonna get the Joker tooth. I don't want to be Ghost Bunny. Joker tooth. No. Joker tooth. Joker tooth. Joker tooth. 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 Then I look like Budgie. Then I look like Budgie. Kill you. Kill you. How did you even get that badge? How did you get that badge? Ow. He even damaged me. How did you get that badge? Or more? Okay. No, I don't want to be this chicken. I want to be torch. Torture is here to torture us. Yes, I'm gonna torture you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, no, no thanks. No. Ah! These keep jump scaring me. Oh, I don't need to follow though. Okay, let's be first. I'm gonna be. Ah! Why my chicken? Chicken! 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 What? Chickens look like Robotnik.
Uy, South Korea! Suotin mo na to!
Opo na, Sauti! Chicken! 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 And why is there 10,000? Why is there like that? One, yeah, one bit. This guy. I don't want to beat this guy. I want to beat this guy. I want to beat this guy. This guy. I don't know even where is that evil bat? Red eye. Hey, Georgie's here. Georgie's here. Georgie's here. How? Okay, guys, this is for all from the video. Thanks for watching. See ya.